This is a build guide for the GT-80 keyboard kit. Inside the custom designed box, you'll find the GT-80 case, silicon light diffusers, a screw set, a JST cable, a screwdriver, rubber feet, strap buckle, and metal badge. First, inspect the case for any shipping damage. If any damages are found, please contact customer service. Attach the rubber feet to the bottom case. Next, install your chosen side accent, strap buckle or side metal badge, and secure it with screws. The GT-80 case uses a convenient ball catch structure for easy assembly. Take out the Hotswap PCB. Then install the screw standoff and their base screws onto the PCB. Lubricate and install the stabilizers. Each one is secured with 2 screws. Place the silicone pad onto the PCB, followed by the plate. Here we are using an FR4 plate. Secure it with screws. Install your MX style switches. We are using cherry black MX switches with 45 gram springs. Press them in vertically to avoid bending the pins. Secure the daughter board to the bottom case with screws. Connect the JST cable from the PCB to the daughter board, paying attention to the arrow indicator for orientation. Install the silicone light diffuser. You can choose between the A or B style for different lighting effects. Place the top case onto the assembly. Connect the keyboard to test its functionality. Notice the different lighting effects between the 2 diffuser styles. Now install your keycaps. Here we are using the PBTfans Nano set. The build is complete. Let's take a look at the final product. And in the end, let's listen to the typing sound.